versus private owned ship owner 557. Well, it could be also public owned port, which is the situation today. Today we have some seafarers getting these monies, these wages, and also terms, conditions, which is much better for the government merchant marine. For the private sector, which is only 75,000 ships, are bigger every day. We are looking for crew of 67,000 ton ROROs, state-of-the-art, the most automated AI ships, yes, with the smallest crew. Then we have LNGs, the highest ever cargo cubic meters. Then 10 years ago, 20 years ago, almost double the cargo capacity. Same thing, car carriers, same. Containers, 24,000 containers. Then chemical parcel tankers, how many type cargoes you want, what are the manuals, how can tankers, bunkers, offshore, wind industry, all kinds of merchant marine today really has adapted in a way that I have to thank the private and the families and the public ship owners. Now the governments have to adapt. Now, how can they adapt? Perhaps the systems, they have to pre-select the recruitment and training and recruitment and placement companies is obsolete. Why? Because the constraints they use for selection of these companies is just Stone Age. Even before Stone Age, yes, even before people didn't know how to write. And still they have the same systems, the same labor agreements, the same labor contracts, the same enlistment contracts. And the world has really adapted. Now, today, perhaps companies like Candina can give huge database of 170,000 seafarers, all nationalities, all languages today, and really put this government's merchant marine the forefront, because you cannot defend the trends without 170,000 people helping, all kinds of people. So please think about it, considering us, and also ship owners also think that we are in a way or in another way, the tide is arriving, the sea is going up. This is environmental, but it is also applicable to the merchant marine risks. So safety first is first. Contact Candina, either government, merchant marine, or private and public and families, because the tide is rising, and this is really becoming very exciting. We are always building business, we are always loving and with a huge passion, and we consider ourselves friends of you, and also we need you clients. Thank you.